Amazon Alexa molecular air.
Yeah, this is just a massive Alexa. Alright guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a expensive product.
Expensive.
It's nice.
It's nice?
Are you ready?
Yeah, what is it?
Let's put it right here. Oh wait, no, we gotta do it from the bottom.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So today, we have the Molecular Air Purifier. Easy boy.
I know.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna slide her down.
Let me have it. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Okay, how do I get
Hang on, I
this?
think there's some more in here.
How do I get this thing out of here? There we go.
Oh boy, she's a big one.
Oh.
Okay,
Holy mackerel.
here she is
Look at this nice.
in all of her
Look
glory.
at this nice carrying case.
Yeah,
they
it comes
have.
with a nice carrying case.
Wow.
Very nice material.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
my god.
she's pretty.
Look at that. Oh my. This
Use
is
the
is this
leather
leather.
handle. Leather handle, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that!
In all its glory.
And then I believe this, you can see, is the power cord. Oh, whoa!
Wow, this thing.
This is. I'm already impressed, and that was just the box.
This is real fancy. Let's look at the top here.
If I can get it out.
Let's see.
Cool.
What's up here? Let me get this thing off.
We are.
Comes with 2 layers of protection on the LCD thing. There you go. So where's like the controls for this thing?
So, you can't really see it. We're gonna have to put in some footage so you can see. But at the very top, that's that black circle is a screen.
Is it like
It's a touch screen.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, so you can control, or you can click on how many like square feet the room is, so it knows how powerful to be.
Oh my goodness.
This thing is like legit.
Yeah.
Can you hear that? This is like
What's on the bottom? Is there anything on the bottom?
just the plug-in.
The plug-in.
The cord goes.
The plug-in on the bottom. So plug that bad boy in.
Oh, I shall.
Let's get this thing
This
going.
thing all untwisted.
Let's purify some stuff.
Let's get this baby in there. Oh, goes right in. Fits perfect.
All
I
right.
go ahead and put that on.
All right. Let's
And
see.
Let me.
All right. Let's see. Actually, let's
Oh, yeah. Tip it over.
tip it over here.
It says Mo.
Initializing. Whoa, is this thing I gotta download some firmware or what?
No, I think you have to download an app
No way.
for your phone. Yeah.
Select room size.
Let me check.
So this is like, how big is this room? Like 200 square feet?
Yeah, I'd say so.
200 square feet. Confirm. Silent, auto, or boost?
Boost.
You want to do boost?
Absolutely.
Calibration.
Molecular Air Purifier app.
Alright, let's see. Maybe it's supposed
Yeah,
to be...
we unboxed that in real time. We didn't even mess with this thing.
Yeah, unbox.
So, this
and here
thing-
we go. Oh, it's on. It's on.
Ooh, you hear that?
Oh,
Oh, that thing's sucking.
that's a lot of airflow up here. Holy crap.
Oh, I have the app.
Oh, it's got LED lights.
Oh yeah. Blue LED lights. Show.
Initial boost cleaning.
Sign up.
Look at these lights on this thing. I don't screw it up, but look at those lights. I don't know if you can see the lights, but it's blue LEDs out of this. That's it. So it sucks in from the bottom, and then blows out the top.
So it goes through Bluetooth, so it pairs. Your phone pairs with the Molecular Air Purifier. It's now searching.
Wait, okay, so this thing has an app.
Has an app. I just
Connected his
downloaded it.
phone,
So
and
you can see.
can it actually, so it can tell how clean the room is.
So basically, you pair it through Bluetooth, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and obviously you tell this thing kind of what size the room is, and then it'll show you what percentage, if you can see that, the room is clean. So right now, it says initial cleanup, and the room is 28% clean, and it says 23 minutes left.
Well, if you go to boost, it might take.
Now, yeah, that's on silent mode, so as you can see or hear, can't hear it, but it's
Absolutely
still
silent.
cleaning. Still air coming out the top. You can go auto.
Alright, so it picked up a little bit. It's cleaning our
Yeah,
room.
it's clean up.
Oh, it's going.
It speeds. It actually speeds it up. You go fast enough. If we hit boost,
Let's see.
so you can control it all through your phone.
Wow. Technology.
And now it says only 7 minutes left. This thing's breezing through. Also, you can see at the very bottom it has your filters. It has your pre-filter, which I believe is down here, and your Nano-Filter, which is up here. and it tells you their percentage of like how clean they are. So the pre-filter's at 96, the other one's at 99.
Alright, turn it down again.
Alright. Oh yeah, you can click on your filter. Wow, that's cool. And it'll show you like your filter and explain everything.
Yeah.
So the pre-filter, which is the lower one, removes the larger particles like dust and like allergens, where the Nano-Filter, it's activated by light, which breaks pollutants down at their basic molecular components, i.e. molecular air purifier.
So I really want to test this bad boy out. I want to take our TechJoy AirJoy humidifier,
which we reviewed. You can check that video out in the link in the description. The wine is very strong.
Oh my god. Yep, and we want to put wine in it again because wine was the strongest smell and it smelled really bad. So we're going to fill up the room with this thing off with terrible smelling wine. Mm-hmm. Turn this bad boy on and then see if it clears it out.
See if it can save our lives.
So,
here we go.
Alright, so we have the TechJoy AirJoy humidifier here. I'm going to hit this bad boy on, turn it on high, and we are just going to fill up this room. We're going to see if...
Yep. Back to... Oh.
Yep. The wine is a very strong stench. As you can see, it's got a lot of vapor coming out.
You saw in our last video... It's very, very potent.
Yeah. Woo! Are we gonna get drunk off of this?
We almost suffocated.
Yeah.
It was terrible.
So we're gonna let this run for a minute or two, fill up this room with some good stench. We're gonna shut the door and everything, and then we're gonna see if this thing can purify. Alright, so this thing's been running for a while. It's kind of cloudy in here a little bit, filled in with wine. You can definitely smell a lot of wine.
Oh, gosh, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use my phone, and we're going to start this bad boy up and see.
We're going to keep this running and see if it can purify quicker than this thing humidifies.
So as you can see, the room has cleared up completely.
It smells great in here.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it smells like
it
did before.
Yeah, it smells normal in here.
Yeah. This thing's not like a miracle worker.
Yeah,
it's not gonna perfume your room, but it smells clean.
Right. It smells clean. You know, it takes like, I think, what was it, like 10 minutes or so?
Like 10 or 15 minutes to clean up the room initially.
Which is
And then you
fine.
just leave it on auto and it just does its thing.
We had it on boost, so it was kind of loud, but like I said, if this was like in a corner of a room somewhere. But yeah, this is on auto, which isn't even the lowest setting, and you can't even hear it.
Nope. Absolutely beautiful design.
Perfect.
Sorry,
I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, go ahead.
I watched a video on this, and I kind of agree with what they say. This is like the Apple of purifiers.
This thing is beautiful.
It kind of looks like it, like with the silver, the material.
Yeah, look at
this
the design.
Is beautiful.
Yep. And the cord goes to the bottom, so you can't even like tell. It's just
and like you can control it with your phone, which is great. That always makes things easier.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, you're
Does
just
this
in your
thing play
house.
Music too.
Yeah, that's Molekule. If you're out there, we have an idea for you.
Amazon Alexa molecular air.
Yeah, this is just a massive Alexa.
That's what it kind of looks like.
I think my Alexa just turned on. I think she heard me. Alright guys, thank you for joining us again, and we will see you in the next one. Go check out our other videos, which are linked in the description. We will see you next time.
Bye.